All right, let's take a look at this sweetheart. 1960 Chevrolet Corvette, America's sports car. Beautiful Roman red, white cove car, red interior. Now, this particular car, powered by a 283 underneath the hood, the 230 horse, 4-barrel variety. It is the original engine of the car, is a numbers matching engine. This would be a CQ code engine, which would be the correct 1960 283. Then it also has the VIN derivative on it, which matches the VIN tag, which would be on the steering column of this Corvette. Coming around to the front, the 1960, of course, was the last year with the iconic front and grille. Bars going across the grille, the beautiful Corvette flag logo on the hood. Very, very nice car. Now, you will find a few imperfections in this one. It is driven, and I don't mean much, though. I mean, we're talking very, very fine little touch-up nicks in it. That's what I'm talking about. Other than that, paint is very nice in this car. Has a nice luster to it, good reflection. It's laid down nice in the car. So if you're looking for a nice 1960 Corvette, you don't have to be afraid to drive a little bit. Turnkey stuff works and is ready to go. Here it is. Now, if you'd like to take a look at still pictures, so you can check out the underside, interior, engine bay. Check this car over close. There's got to be 100 or so pictures of it at uniqueclassiccars.com. Down below this video, there's a link. You can click on that. It's going to take you right there. Feel free to call us too, 507-386-1726. This particular car is being sold. Widow's husband passed away, and it is now being sold by the family. So here's your chance to own a part of American sports car history. Absolutely beautiful car. What I can tell you about this, the top goes up and down, fits beautifully. There's pictures with it up and down both ways, so you can check it out in the still pictures. There is, over on this side, on the passenger side, on the top, it'd be about right here when the top's up, there is some wear, little wear hole, rip, tear, what have you. So this box and this plastic back here, this is a new top that can be put on the framework of this car. So you do have a new white top that is included in it. So check that out in the still pictures. It's still functioning, still fine the way it is. It's just worn, and they got this to replace it and wanted to go with the car for the next owner. So you're riding on radial tires, white walls, wheel covers. It's a great look in this car. The Roman red, white cove. Got the red interior. Of course, buckets. This is a 4-speed car. When I get around to the other side, I'll kind of go through what I noticed did work on the car as far as equipment and everything. Chrome bright work, also very nice on this car. Now, we do consider trades. Financing is available, and of course, we can assist you with getting this car transported to where you're located at. It may be eligible for an extended warranty also. Feel free to ask your sales associate you contact via phone or email. Feel free to ask them about it. Coming around, that matching logo in the back with the crossed flags. Just a beautiful car. Antenna will slide up and down properly. That to show you for an example. It does have a Wonder Bar radio in it too, and we'll get into that here in a second when I get into the interior. But you look up and down the sides of this car, both sides. It is not full of nicks, dings, scratches. Yeah, you got a few little rock chips up in the front that have been touched up like I showed you. Other than that, not a lot of blemishes in this car. A little over 10,000 of these made in 1960. Got a nice one left here. The rear view mirror on the dashboard. It's a cool look. Very nicely designed car. All right, door panels. Bright work in this car. Also nice shape. All right, let me get in here. We're going to start it up. you can hear it run. I'm going to go through some of the gauges and options. Alright, see how easy it starts. As you can see the light flashing there, I have the parking brake on. So you can see that that works. We'll slide it off. Light goes off. Put it back on just so it doesn't roll anywhere. Now, another thing I noticed, headlights work. Click on the high beam indicator works. Fuel gauge, temperature, both appear to work. As you can see, the tachometer bouncing slightly, but is also working. You have your battery and oil pressure. Come around here, maybe you can see it better. Also appear to be working correctly. Now, I did play around with the fan here a little bit. Blower motor does blow. Wonderbar radio. Let's click down here. I get static out of it. I am in basically a metal building. I've not got reception, so I had the antenna up earlier. But the Wonderbar radio did click through, go through the stations, did stop, but I did not get any stations in. I am willing to bet if this got outside and that antenna was up, not so sure that that radio would work. I can see the clock is not working. 4-speed tranny. So the kind of condition the rest of this dash is in. Very, very nice. There's a little rundown of what I came up with. Oh, wipers did work also. Those were fine. All right. I'll slip around to the back here. See how nice that door closes and fits too. Wow. Check out the trunk too. Trunk is spotless. Spare tires underneath there. It still looks like the original stickers or instructions that would be above that spare tire on the deck there. They appear to be there, and it looks like the originals from what I can see. Nothing crazy out of that 283. What you'd expect a 1960 Corvette to sound like. I'm going to pause. Well, here, I tell you what. I can do this one-handed. Let's pop this hood and take a peek at it. I also had this front cowl vent open. That does work also. So that will pop open. Alright, here you go. You can see the 230 indicated on the side of that valve cover. It was 230 horse, 283. 1.4 barrel. Original engine, numbers matching. Everything checks out on that. You see how smooth it runs. Flip around to the other side here for you. Alright, so there you go. The beautiful 1960 Chevrolet Corvette, and it can be yours. Just came up. It's offered for sale. Give us a call. Once again, 507-386-1726. UniqueClassicCars.com. Down below this video, there's a link. Click on it. It's going to take you right to all the pictures. Check out the undersides, interior, engine bay. Look them over close. Give us a call if you have any questions. We do consider trades. Maybe you got an older or a late model Vette and you want to trade for an older one. We do consider trades. Give us a call. Financing is available. You got some of the money you want to put down, finance the rest. We have lenders that work with strictly classic cars. It may also be eligible for an extended warranty. Make sure you're covered in the future. Extended warranty, got you covered. And we can also assist you with getting this beauty to where you're located. Look forward to hearing from you on this one.